So let's take planning work order Obom analysis. That is planning work order in planning module business process planning work order Obom analysis. So here the first of all we have to understand what is planning work order Obom analysis means how much quantity I need to produce a particular product, whether there is production work order is prepared or not. So select F1 and accordingly you have to select your required planning work order number. So let's take example this planning work order. So based on this planning work order, you have identified that we will have to able to see that, for example, we have a shortage of this item. So for this item code, we required one quantity, but we have a shortage of. So let's take planning work order Obom analysis. So we need to go in planning business process planning work order Obom analysis. Here you have to select unit 1 planning work order number 5, and once you click here your main planning work order details has been available. So now you can see that based on your planning work order number 5, it is prepared for chair and your work order quantity will be 50. But as you see your as per your order bill of material you have a shortage of wood. So how many quantity of shortage of wood? So let's say here you will be see that 800 kilograms of quantity would be your shortage. Now, once your shortage will be fulfilled, your stands will be prepared. So, out of 800 kg of wood, your 150 numbers of stands will be prepared. Same way, for wood, there is a shortage of 200 kg. So here, now see, there is a shortage. So for that shortage, we need to prepare a production work order. For example, if any organization there is a shortage, right? So a user has to generate a production work order. Now here main thing is there are different colors are given and each color has a each specific meaning. So in this case in stock but not reserved. So your item will be, suppose it is in green color, then your item is in stock but not reserved. It is blue color. So suppose your item is reserved but not issued for the production. So it is reserved in store for particular production but not issued. Now this red color, that is means or there is a shortage. If it is light yellow color, then it is a WIP material, and if it is red color, then it is process card is pending. So every item has some process, right? Cutting, machining, or painting, or forming. So if the process card has not been made, then your color will be changed. So this is in this window we will not do anything, but only we have, and now we can directly reserve, unreserve. See, suppose maximum allowed to reserve, but it is for currently it is warehouse is not linked. Okay, so once warehouse is linked you will be directly able to reserve your item. And unreserve also, you same way you will also able to unreserve the item. So, in a summary, planning work order Obom analysis is a tool from which you will be able to get to know that what kind of shortages you have. Suppose you have enough material to produce the particular product or to complete the specific work order, then it is shown in yellow color. And likewise you will be able to see its process status is given registered or not, whether it is see here process status is entered or not, so it is not entered. Suppose you have a unreserved item, so no, you don't have unreserved item. And again, if you have reserve item or not, so here you have a reserve item, you will be able to reserve up to 200 kgs. So now here what is your conclusion? That let's say cotton. So cotton I will need, suppose I need to prepare 1 unit of cotton, then I will need 50 kgs of, sorry, 1 unit of seed, then I will need, suppose I have to make or manufacture 1 unit of seed. So to manufacture 1 unit I need 50 kilogram of cotton. Same way, suppose I have a 200 kgs of wood, then I will be able to make 1 unit of handle. Okay. So likewise, here planning work order Obom analysis, you will be able to judge your shortages, you will be able to judge or decide your reserved material, or you will be able to decide. So it's a complete window at a one stage that whether your item is available in stock, whether any process has been done on the particular raw material, whether any item is currently in WIP, that is in currently in production, whether any process card is pending for the particular product or particular manufacturing part. And once you do the things, your all the colors will be disappear and whole bomb will be blank. So I will show you again one uh, complete bomb, that how it will look. So see, suppose you have don't have any shortage, then your bomb color will not have any color. Okay, so I will expand all. You will be able to do like directly expand. You will be able to do directly collapse or expand. These features are, once you refresh, then your Obom analysis tab will be refreshed. Now planning work order details. Here you will be able to see your planning work order details also, right? That you came to know that for which purpose or what is your planning work order details. It is work order type, forecast or not, and what are your close or quantity, work order quantity. So by this way you will be able to see your whole planning work. So for that planning team get an idea that how to use material for the production. See here, Suppose you click, suppose here this is my raw material, right? So suppose you click and folder, so you have to be prepared production for each folder item. So let's say suppose you have a reserved item, so you have a reserved to free stock. So once you click on one, your item will be reserved against this. See, now you have a reserve. If you see that reserve item, now if you click on unreserved, your reserved quantity is one, and if you click on unreserved, then you will be allowed to one quantity of unreserved. And for this, you have to extract production work order also. Here green color is for your backflush item, shortage, reserved but not issued. Okay. So by this color bifurcation, you will be able to make a judgment that what is your current stage of your particular planning work order. So here we do not have to save anything, but it is for our analysis purpose that your planning work order, what is the stage of your planning work order Obom analysis. Again, you will be able to select RM dash plate. So system will highlighted your code, right? By arrow you can move the this tab also. So this is what about your planning work order.